What if one silent problem in your body could cause you to age faster and take years off your life, and you didn't even know it was happening? Today we're talking about something that affects over 1 billion people worldwide and dramatically increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. And that is high blood pressure. We're also going to talk about an exciting new human study that may point to a simple way to support the body's own natural system for keeping blood vessels healthy. You're going to want to hear this because the results are amazing. So high blood pressure is often called the silent killer. High blood pressure doesn't hurt, you can't feel it, and most of the time there are no symptoms. There can be symptoms in rare cases, but most of the time there's zero. But behind the scenes it's damaging your arteries, your heart, and your long-term health span. So in the United States, almost 50% of adults have elevated blood pressure, and many without even knowing it. So what's happening inside the body that drives this higher risk as we age? A key reason is age-related decline of nitric oxide, often abbreviated as NO. Nitric oxide is a signaling molecule with several important jobs. It relaxes and widens blood vessels, supports artery wall function or endothelial function, improves blood flow, and even supports mitochondrial efficiency. Over time, NO production drops, just like a bunch of other things, right? And when that happens, vessels stiffen, blood pressure rises, and exercise capacity also drops. That's why boosting nitric oxide has become a big focus for people interested in longevity. Not just how long you live, but how healthy you are during that time. Now, here's where things get really interesting. DoNotAge.org is a health research organization. You've heard me talk about them many times on this channel. I'm a big fan of Do Not Age. They've recently developed a proprietary new supplement called Nitralis. Nitralis is designed to support nitric oxide bioavailability through multiple pathways. It combines fermented beet, rich in dietary nitrate, magnesium sorbate, and abimedium, also known as horny goatweed. This combination aims to support nitric oxide naturally and consistently, and it's not just for athletes, but for everyday cardiovascular health. A randomized placebo-controlled human trial, the gold standard of scientific studies, was conducted to investigate Nitralis. The study lasted for 30 days. 85 adults participated, ages 30 through 70. They're split into two different groups, the Nitralis group and the placebo group. The Nitralis group took 400 milligrams of Nitralis per day. Researchers measured changes in nitric oxide using salivary strips on day 1, day 15, and day 30, and the results were incredible. By day 30, the Nitralis group saw dramatic improvements. The median increase was plus 90 units. The mean increase was plus 108 units, and the average percentage increase was 226% above baseline. So baseline means where people were when they started the study, what their levels were when they started. Meanwhile, the placebo group showed almost zero change. To put it another way, the results are big. The result wasn't driven by a few outliers, and the change is meaningful relative to baseline. When all three of these are strong, it's compelling evidence. Another thing to look at is the responder rate. A responder is someone who increased NO levels by 70 units or more. The Nitralis group was 60.5%, and the placebo group was 11.9%. That's over 5 times higher. The Nitralis group was over 5 times higher. Participants also noticed improvements as early as day 1. So responder rate shows how many participants experienced a meaningful improvement. And this helps to confirm that the results weren't driven by just a few extreme cases. By comparing the percentage of responders in the treatment group to the placebo group, researchers can see whether or not the effect is consistent and clinically relevant. In the Nitralis study, over 5 times more people reached the responder threshold compared to placebo, which strengthens confidence that the supplement's benefits are real, reliable, and applicable to typical users rather than just statistical outliers. So what does this mean for real human health? Nitric oxide levels are linked to better blood pressure control, healthier arteries, improved circulation, and better exercise performance. And because NO naturally declines with age, older adults are more vulnerable to rising blood pressure and its consequences. Supporting nitric oxide may help address one of the root mechanisms behind cardiovascular aging. So this study was amazing. But like all science, there are some important caveats. There are some limitations. This was a pilot study. 30 days is a pretty short period of time. And salivary strips are semi-quantitative. They're a semi-quantitative measure, which means it provides an estimate of quantity rather than the exact number. It's like using a chart that says low, medium, or high, rather than the exact number or the specific number for measurement. It's still good, but not extremely precise. And the researchers were affiliated with Do Not Age, which is clearly stated in the conflicts of interest section of the study. Now that doesn't nullify the results, but it's something to keep in mind. These results were exciting and very promising, but more studies will help us fully understand the benefits and potential side effects with long-term use. That said, the magnitude of improvement and the clear separation from placebo, it's hard to ignore. So what's the takeaway? This study suggests that nitralis may significantly improve nitric oxide levels, which could support healthier blood pressure and vascular function over time. For anyone over 40 trying to protect their heart and maintain healthy blood flow, nitric oxide levels is something to pay close attention to. Supporting NO through diet, sunlight, exercise, and supplements like nitralis may be one of the most important long-term decisions for cardiovascular health and healthy aging a person can make. If you're interested in trying nitralis, at the time of this recording, it will initially become available as part of a bundle starting November 10th during Do Not Age's Black Friday sale.